Good evening, rockers. As you guys heard my rant earlier today, I'm having problems with my Pioneer CT-F1000. I've had quite some time to think about this and calm down a little bit, so I'm going to take an honest look at it and see if we can figure it out. As one commenter posted on my video earlier, and rightfully so, he says that it's not so much the equipment, but my lack of knowledge to repair it on my own. Now, that may be true to an extent, but however, I've never claimed to be a tech myself. Most of my repairs are all like ones that are pretty obvious and common sense. I'm 34. I didn't work with these. These are before my time. They're incredibly gorgeous, but like I said, Pioneer does have not the best reputation, in my opinion, from my personal experience, but I wanted to try to at least open this up and figure it out. So give me a minute. I got to run up and get my screwdriver, and yeah, we're going to take a look at it and see if we can figure it out. I'm not going to bore you with that. I wish this thing had a pause button, but it doesn't. I'll have to stop it and then merge the videos together at a later time. All right. Glad I paused that. That would have been 20 minutes of your lives that you never would have got back. You know how sometimes one thing leads to another, and yeah, that's what happened. It's pretty easy to get the cover off, just like anything else. In my opinion, Pioneer went a little bit overboard with the screws, but that's okay. That's a very small stitch, honestly. Every time I open these up, I learn a little bit more about them, but it's still a very complicated piece of equipment. And as the same commenter that said I have no knowledge on how to fix stuff on my own, it's not entirely true. There are certain things I can do, but I never claim to be an expert on it. Can't criticize me too hard for that. But that's okay. I look at it as constructive criticism, and you can tell by the tone that he definitely didn't mean anything by it. I asked for an opinion and he gave it to me. After all, that's what a public forum is about, right? Right. Alright, so as you're going to see in here, it is very clean. Like I said, the whole thing was recapped. I'm pretty sure these boards are modular too. In other words, they plug into each other. I think. I could be wrong. I'm not the one that recapped it. Here's your guts are in here. I might need to get a light or something so you can see. But I'm going to try to play the tape and see why it's not. Okay, so it's not being told to move. You look at that. When I press the button to play, I can freely turn this by hand, no problem. It's moving very slowly, but if you look in, you can clearly see that the whole entire mechanism is in fact moving. So I have no idea what the problem could be. I want to poke around a little bit and see if I can see anything, but as of right now, it ain't looking too good. Wow, that sucks. Fast forward and rewind worked just fine. I don't think it'd be the buttons, because it does engage a mechanism, does move up. So it's not the same motor for the playback as it is the fast forward and rewind. Yeah, this is not hard to move at all. I could have sworn I could hear something humming earlier. I thought it was trying to go, but I don't think it is. It's almost like the pause button stuck, but it's not. I'm gonna zoom out, back out. Yeah, pause button's fine. So the tape button is working. It knows that it's there, the indicator. I refuse to believe that that motor's bad. I check around, it doesn't look like any of the fuses are blown. Yeah, who knows? Not only that, those are 110 volt fuses, and that motor's probably, I'm sure that motor's DC. Things that make you go, Dude, I have no idea. I'm almost curious to remove the belt. And see if it can turn and see if it is a load, but I don't think so. I can easily move it, as you can see. I'm easily moving it by hand, no problem. Oh, man. Maybe some of you guys can see. But yeah, that solenoid in the back for fast forward and rewind picks up no problem. I go to engage playback. Everything clicks over like it's supposed to. But this motor here never starts turning. I'm wondering if there ain't like a limit switch in here or something like that that I'm overlooking or that I don't know about. It's gotta be something freaking stupid. It's gotta be. Let me try I have a blank sitting here. Yeah, right here. This one got tabs on it. There's a solenoid down here that's working. Looks like all the linkage is complete. Dude, I'm at a complete loss. Maybe some of my viewers here would be more knowledgeable on this. Maybe one of you guys have worked on one. I don't know. I'm just afraid to dig around in here too much because, like I said, I can change parts basically on these, but honestly, as far as knowing how the thing actually works, I think this might be a little bit above my head here. But I had a day to think about it and to calm down. I'm definitely going to keep it. Like I said, I spent a lot of money on it. I have a lot of time into cleaning it up and all that, so may as well keep it working and get it back to reliable working condition. So anyway, guys, if you guys have any suggestions, maybe it's something I'm overlooking, please drop a line on the comment box and let me know. I greatly appreciate it. And like I said, if it's something that's above my head, well, I'll have to take it to somebody that can fix it. Thanks for watching, rockers. Catch you next time. Stay safe out there and keep warm.